Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Huawei MatePad 12X, and let me share with you how to reset camera preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app, and currently we are in the standard photo mode. However, the mode does not really matter. You can reset the camera in whichever mode you will be. Before we'll start, I'd like to turn on the grid lines, so those lines. I've applied them before because I'd like to show you a visual evidence that the reset option will work, so they should disappear. All we have to do right now is to enter the settings. Now scroll down to the very bottom, tap on Restore Defaults and confirm it with OK. And as you can see, the grid lines are not visible, which means that we just successfully reset all camera preferences. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.